Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what is a surfactant and why does it matter? These are referred to in the industry as a wetting agent or a spreader sticker, and it does just that. It helps the product evenly adhere to the surface that you're treating. Now in pest control, we use surfactants that are considered nonionic surfactants, and what this means is that they won't bubble up or they won't foam when using them. A good application for this would be weed control. Adding a surfactant in with weed control can just help the product stick better to the leaf surface. When spraying a pesticide or an herbicide without a surfactant, the chemical can tend to clump up on the surface that you're spraying it. When using a surfactant, what that'll do is just help that product evenly adhere to the surface that you're treating. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Okay, cool. Okay, cool.